Hello everyone, this is Rajkumar Shivari, Faculty of Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. So students, today we have to study about differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. Okay, so let us take an example. Y is equal to sine inverse of sine x. Okay, this is very simple question. In this, sine inverse and sine will cancel out and we left with x. Now do the differentiation of both the sides. The derivative of x is 1, so dy over dx is equal to 1. Now second question, y is equals to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now we cannot differentiate this directly. It is very difficult to us to differentiate directly. Now we have to simplify this whole term. Okay, so first we have to give some substitution. Let us take x equal to tan theta. यहाँ से x की वैल्यू tan theta पुट करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है. तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, we will get 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. And in the previous class, 11th class, you have studied about that this is an identity. This can be replaced by sine 2 theta. Okay, so sine and sine inverse will cancel out and we will left with 2 theta. Now we have to replace this theta in terms of x. So हमने यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूशन दिया था x को tan theta. अब यहीं से हम tan को इस तरफ ले जाएंगे तो थीटा की वैल्यू हो जाएगी tan inverse x. So theta is replaced in this way. So in place of theta we can write tan inverse x. Now it is easy to differentiate to us. Okay, differentiating both sides, the derivative of y is dy over dx and the differentiation of tan inverse x 2 upon 1 plus x square. This is the differentiation. Now move to next question. Next question is this much. Okay, now y equals to sine inverse 2x into 1 minus x square. यहाँ पे भी इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है. इट इज़ क्वाइट typical for differentiate. Now put x equal to sine theta. We have to simplify this one. Okay, so put x equal to sine theta. Now this will become sine 2 sine theta 1 minus sine square theta, and 1 minus sine square theta can be written as cos square. A square and a square root will cancel out and we will left with this one. And this we know that this is the identity of sine 2 theta. 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta. Sin and sin will cancel out. Okay, 2 theta is left. Now put the value of theta from here. The value of theta will be sin inverse x in this way. Now it is easy for us to differentiate. Okay, so here differentiation of y is dy by dx and the derivative of sin inverse x, as we know, 2 upon 1 minus x square under root. This is our answer. Now next question is this much. Cos inverse 3x 4 minus x cube. Okay, so in this question put x equal to sin theta. Okay, so by putting this x equal to sin theta we will left this. Okay, and this is the formula of sin 3 theta, so this is replaced by sin 3 theta. Now sin and cos inverse will never cancel, so we have to convert this sign in terms of cos. Sin 3 theta can be written as cos 90 minus 3 theta. Cos and cos will cancel out and we have 90 minus 3 theta. Put the value of theta. Okay, the value of theta will be 3 cos inverse x and it is easy to differentiate. Okay, take another example. Now this is another example. Okay, put x equal to tan theta in this. So we will get this, and this is the identity of cos 2 theta. Cos and cos will cancel out and we left with this. Okay, now theta can be replaced by tan inverse x. Now the derivative of this will be this one. Okay, now next question, this much. So again in this question put x equal to tan theta. Okay, now this is the formula of tan 2 theta. Tan and tan inverse will cancel out and we left with this. Now 2 tan inverse differentiate 2 tan inverse x, we will easy to differentiate this, and the derivative of this 2 upon 1 plus x square. Okay students. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.